Okay, I've got my electric motor driven alternator powered arc welder going. I'll weld a little bit here to show you that it actually works, then I'll show you what the voltage output is as it's idling. I can't get it while it's actually being used because can't do both things at the same time, so watch this. The amp gauge works, but I can't video it while I'm actually over there welding, so a lot of good that does. There's the open circuit voltage. It doesn't vary very much. It's on the 50 volt DC scale, so it's about 14 volts, something like that. Here they are. What the problem with it is, let me turn it off. What the problem is, there's not enough belt wrap around the pulleys, and it, with so much of a load on them, they want to slip. These get hot enough you don't want to touch them, especially the motor. That pulley gets pretty darn toasty when you weld for a long time, but nothing I can do about it, just poor design, I guess. That was the last one I did right there, but I did a bunch of them back and forth, just fooling around, smoking the shop up. And that's a 1/8 inch rod, I think. Already threw it down. That was 6012, running DC positive, I believe it is. Well, electrode negative, that's what I got going on. Anyhow, it works. Just not enough contact surface for the belts to be grabbing good. You can't hardly see it, but there's, well, yeah, you can. There's a green tint there. These belts are green. The green's coming off. It's slipping and burning so much. You can see it down in there on top of the, get out of the damn way. When I had black belts on there, it was doing the same thing. They were fractional horsepower. And these are the next size up. These are an A size belt, or a 4L. It did have 3L. Those are 1/2 inch wide on the top. Them other ones are like 3/8. These are a little bit too big for the alternator groove, but they fit down in the driven pulley a lot, or the driving pulley a lot better. But them fractional horsepower ones, they wasn't getting it. I took the potentiometer and the transistors out and put an ohmite rheostat in there. I forget what it is. It's a 35 ohm rheostat, which there's just no linearity to it. It doesn't start putting out, the machine doesn't put out a lot of power until you get it about 95% all the way on, whatever you call that. But it works.